How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, and my kids call me Dad, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty, financing packages, a full-service department, and camping after your purchase at our historic Crystal Fountain Park. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2013 Pleasureway XL TD with 48,752 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2013 Pleasureway XL TD. This is the harder to find XL TD variant. The TD meaning it has the permanent twin sleepers here in the back as opposed to the power sofa style. Hard surface flooring here makes it easier to keep things clean. Handle to help you get up and in as you come into the coach. A little stash spot in the door. Fire extinguisher for life safety. Various light switches. You can pull this curtain all the way around the track and the front to provide privacy as you wish. Window here does not have a screen. The two windows on the left and right in the back both have screen portions on the lower. It's going to work well here with your fantastic fan. This runs on your coach battery system. Turn this on, open up the windows, and I'll do a good job of bringing the outside air in here, much like an attic fan in your house. Got a spot up here you can tuck your sunscreen and your favorite hat that you want to grab before you head out the door. Start stop the propane generator. This ignites itself. Levels test, do not consider these gospel. They're notoriously finicky. Water pump on off will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank to your sink, shower, and toilet. Onan generator start stop for the 2800 generator that runs on the fuel tank. Will not be able to strand yourself. It's going to run out around a quarter tank. Fresh service, fresh oil change on this. 228 hours. Flipping around now the driver's side. Convection microwave oven. That will work on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Hang your jackets and things in here. These boards are to support the large bed in the back. I'll show you that here in just a little while. A table leg that you can use on the mount in the back, or there's also one up front. Both the front seats swivel, so you can create a second zone here in this van. I'll show you what that looks like here in just a little while. Actual porcelain stool is going to drain down into the floor. Got a railing along the wall here to put your soaps and things like that. Towel bar. You can pull the curtain around the track on the roof there to help contain the water. Mirrored medicine cabinet. A plug on the front. A little bit of a tough opening on these so they don't fly open while you're driving. 3 drawers. Just a little bit of discoloration on the cabinet doors there. Not much at all. Got a plug-in for your curling iron, things like that. Also have a screen window in here. Call that the stink vent. Solid surface countertops. Single basin sink. 2-burner propane cooktop. There's a counter flip out on the end here. There's an AC 110 plug-in hiding behind that counter flip out. Also AC 110 power there. Makes this nice spot here for your coffee pot or air fryer. It's the water pump. 3-way fridge freezer. Our freezer up top. It's the propane furnace. Coach battery disconnected with the red key. If you can pull that out, it means it's off. You can control the propane furnace and the other HVAC systems through the thermostat here. That's also going to control the CoolCat AC heat pump. Heat pump will work down to around 40 or 50 degrees outside temperature. Below that, you're going to have to use the propane furnace. Storage that goes all the way back. Also on the driver's side, connects to this compartment here. AC 110 power on the right. 12-volt DC there in the back. You can plug in a little inverter there if you wanted to get a couple additional AC 110 plugs here. DVD player hooked up to this nice size TV that's on a swivel mount, so you can swivel that around to get the perfect position. Again, we got the twin dinette or twin bed set up here with the permanent twin sleepers. You can remove these cushions. Gives you more room if you just want to sleep in this as twins. You can also make up a big bed here. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what this looks like made up and get some measurements. The twin sleepers measure approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back in the RV and 30 inches east-west or side to side. Use the support boards that are stored beneath the passenger side sleeper to make up the big bed that measures approximately 72 inches north-south and 81 inches east-west from wall to wall. Additional storage is found in the nightstand, and the storage beneath the rear of the sofa is accessible from inside or outside of the coach. Additional storage and plumbing access are found beneath the driver's side sleeper. Beneath the passenger side, you can find the electrical panel, noxious gas detector, and a storage drawer. The support boards for the big bed are stored beneath the passenger's side, and you can access the compartments on the driver's side by lifting the bottom cushion. The front seats both swivel, and the table mounts in the front and rear make convenient dining, gaming, or mobile workstations. What kind of award did the dentist receive? A little plaque. Small mark on the wall there. Nothing that affects the fun or usability of the motorhome. Move up to the cabin area. Another little stash spot on the left over there, as well as storage overhead. Really nice unit here in the harder to find Excel TD variant with the permanent twin sleepers. This one's going through our full inspection process as usual here at Kuhn Truck and RV. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have, and make sure you're fully comfortable with your new camper van. We highly recommend you take the time and stay with us your first night here at Crystal Fountain Park in small town Sherwood, Ohio. That's going to give you a great opportunity to digest everything from the day of your sale. Make sure you are fully comfortable once again and ready to head off for parts unknown. Super nice unit here inside and out. Not many blemishes at all. I'm going to call this a 9 to a 9.5. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, and cruise. Nice clean upholstery on the seating. Glove box. Just a couple little marks there. Spots to tuck drinks, snacks, things like that as you're heading out on your RV adventure. Nice clean upholstery on the driver's seat as well. Newer head unit that has Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. You can run the auxiliary in here. This also functions as the backup camera monitor. Plug in your GPS or phone chargers here and here. Not seeing any signs of smoking in this in the form of burns, stains, tears, no funny smells. Cigarette lighter's unused, so while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this a non-smoker. Just a little bit of aging on the bathroom door. Nothing that affects the functionality of it. Alrighty, folks, we're going around the outside of this 2013 Pleasureway Excel TD. This camper van measures approximately 20 feet, 6 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. We have actual alloy rims, and the tires have 4125 date codes. This camper van is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 48,752 miles. Easy to get up and into the coach here. Handle to help you get up and in. Porch light, back of the refrigerator, one coach battery, furnace exhaust. As you can see, there's no striping on this unit. So a nice, clean, stealthy look with lots and lots of shine and a very good looking exterior. 2 AC 110 plugins, so you can plug things in out here beneath the awning. Storage compartment. Air conditioner coming out the back. Access to the storage here in the back. Goes all the way across for fishing poles, golf clubs, things like that. You can access that from the inside of the coach through that door there. Tow package, that's great for taking a small vehicle along behind you, or a nice bike rack for your e-bikes and e-scooters, or even a stowaway trunk for extra storage. Coming around to the driver's side. Again, got that nice clean look with no striping, just the Pleasureway logo. Looks very, very nice. Back of the water heater. Another storage compartment on this side. Sewer hose storage. Fill the onboard fresh water tank. You'll have to use the water pump to get the water out of that. Outside shower, wash your feet off after a walk on the beach, or your boots off after a nice hike. Keep the mess out of the camper van. Cable TV in here if you're staying somewhere that has that. City water here, you'll get the pressure directly from the hose you hook up. Gonna dump the black and gray tanks here. You'll do the black first, gonna let your toilet go, then the gray for your sink and shower. Propane tank is mounted to the unit, so you have to drive somewhere to have this filled. Gauge to tell how much is in there. Valve to turn that on and off. That's where they'll fill it. 30 amp shore power connection. Cummins Onan RV QG 2800 gas generator. It's the exhaust for that. That's a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. You're gonna fill the gas tank that's gonna run the engine and the generator down to around a quarter tank, so you cannot strand yourself. Really nice looking pleasureway here in the ever popular Excel floor plan. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.
Howdy folks, it's Levi Kuhn here today with the rig report on this 2013 Pleasureway Excel TD. This coach, a couple items. The van did receive a steering dampener, a fresh front end alignment. The tires were replaced in Florida before we drove it to Ohio, so those new tires have about 1,000 miles on them. It did pass our DOT inspection, and the chassis has been freshly serviced. Alrighty folks, it's now time for the inside portion of the rig report today. A few items to notate. This coach did receive a new freshwater pump, which is located in the cabinet down here. That freshwater pump is what pumps the water from your tank up to your taps and your faucets. We did have to replace the DVD player, which is located up here. This is the TD model, which is the twin bed floor plan, which is a little more rare than the TS floor plan. And we also had to replace the battery separator. The battery separator is what allows the charge from the alternator to be sent back to the coach batteries. So that way those things charge while you are driving. Everything else has gone through our inspection process, has passed. All of the appliances and everything are working and functioning as they should. If you have any questions on this Pleasureway, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV at 440 Ohio RVs.